Afade, I'm Officer Paul Tapal, your Guam Crime Stoppers Coordinator, and this is your Crime of the Week. On the 8th of September 2013, officers from the Tumon Tumuni Precinct Command entertained a criminal sexual conduct complaint that occurred at the beachfront residence in Tumon. According to the police report, the victim was last seen with a suspect on the 7th of September 2013 at about 1 a.m. at the Pentagon Lounge located in the Blue Lagoon Plaza in Tumon. The suspect is only described to be male, possibly local, medium built, and was last seen wearing a dark baseball cap, black t-shirt, dark-colored cargo shorts, and slippers. The Guam Crime Stoppers and the Guam Police Department's Criminal Investigation Division needs the public's help relative to this criminal sexual conduct report that occurred. If anyone has any information regarding this crime or any other crime, please call the Guam Crime Stoppers hotline at 477-HELP. That's 477-4357. You can also send a text to 688-STOP, or you can visit our website at guam.crimestoppersweb.com. You can also call the Guam Police Department at 475-8615-7. Guam Crime Stoppers does not use caller ID, and you do not have to leave your name. You can receive a cash reward for the information leading to the arrest and conviction of the person or persons responsible for this crime. Your call does make a difference.